Peekaboo. Peekaboo, Leora. Yes. Who is Daddy's girl? Leora love Daddy. Yes. Bless you. Excuse me. I'm a lady.